Hello, wonderful viewers. Today we are going to combat the scorching sun with a refreshing watermelon mint cooler. This refreshing drink blends the natural sweetness of watermelon with the cooling and refreshing flavor of fresh mint. In this video, I will teach you how to make a vivid and energizing cooler that will keep you hydrated and rejuvenated all summer long. So let's gather our ingredients and get started. To make this refreshing watermelon mint cooler, we will need a few key ingredients. First and foremost, we have juicy watermelon. To get the greatest flavor, choose a ripe and sweet watermelon. You will also need fresh mint leaves to add a refreshing and aromatic touch to the drink. Lastly, we will add lime juice to enhance the flavor. Don't forget the ice cubes for that extra chill. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's start making this fabulous cooler. Fresh lime and cut it in half using a sharp knife. Firmly squeeze it to extract the juice. Repeat the process with the other half of the lime and any remaining limes, ensuring all the juice is collected in the bowl. Take a whole watermelon and slice it in half using a large knife. Cut the watermelon into smaller, manageable pieces, removing the rind as you go. Discard any unwanted parts, such as seeds or tough white portions. Carefully pour the lime juice from the bowl into the blender. Grab a handful of fresh mint leaves. Give them a gentle rinse under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Add the mint leaves to the blender. Place the watermelon pieces into the blender with the lime juice. Place the lid securely on the blender. Start the blender on high speed and blend the mixture until everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. Take a separate bowl or container and carefully pour the blended mixture into it. If desired, place a fresh mesh strainer over the new bowl to strain the mixture. Gently pour the mixture through the strainer, allowing the liquid to flow while catching any pulp or seeds. Straining the mixture helps achieve a smoother texture, but it's optional based on personal preference. Pour the strained mixture from the bowl into the glass. Add a handful of ice cubes to the glass to chill the cola and keep it refreshing. Take a small sip of the cola and assess sweetness level. If you prefer a sweeter flavor, you can add more watermelon or lime juice to the glass and gently stir to incorporate. Congratulations! You have just created a refreshing watermelon mint cola. This refreshing blend of watermelon, mint, and lime is the perfect summer drink to stay hydrated and cool. Customize the sweetness and tanginess according to your taste preference. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Cheers to a refreshing and revitalizing watermelon mint cola. Note, it is important to note that individual results may vary, and this drink should be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. If you have specific dietary restrictions or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or consuming new ingredients.